Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm just going to be giving you some small clips on an order that I got from one of my clients. This was a bench. I don't know if it was just a relaxation bench or a massage bench, but we normally just do what the clients request. So this was me preparing to make the bench. So the first thing that we did was the framing for the base, that is the metallic part, and we did prime it. As if you have been following our job, we normally do priming and then spray paint the actual paint for the frame, that is the metallic part. Then the other thing that I'm doing is the framing for the top part. This part that I'm showing you, the pieces of board that I'm using here. And now after that, after framing them, I'm going to be doing the final paint, which was gold, for the metallic frame. And then the top part, I'm going to be doing the framing, but I'm going to be showing you the steps that I've followed during this DIY. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. Yeah, I really do appreciate your continued support. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that we can fully understand and enjoy this content. Also, we do have a variety of videos in our channel. That is, if you're new here, you can visit our channel, watch more of our content, because we do a lot of videos, that is transformation videos, makeover videos, DIYs, and many more. You can just visit our channel and watch more. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do so, because we have amazing contents that we normally post for you guys to enjoy, educate, learn one or two from us. And yeah, I will appreciate that. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving you at this, and I will see you in my next videos.